Kumusta mga ka-MPBL? Welcome ulit dito sa ating channel na Ligang Pinoy. And sa video na ito, pag-usapan naman natin ang opening ng Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. So tuloy-tuloy na nga magbubukas ang MPBL on April 6, 2024. Gaganapin ang opening ceremony dyan sa may Calasiao Sports Complex, Pangasinan. So, merong 30 teams na confirm na sasali this 2024 season ng MPBL. And banggitin lang natin itong mga 30 teams na ito. So, divided into 2 divisions, 15 teams per division. Ang North Division ay pinapangunahan ng defending champion na Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And kabilang naman sa North Division, Nueva Ecija, San Juan, Caloocan, Marikina, Bataan, Tarlac, Manila, Valenzuela, Quezon City, Pangasinan, Abra, Bulacan, Rizal, and Pasay. So dito sa North Division, merong tatlo na bagong teams na kakasali lang dito sa 2024 season. Ito yung Tarlac United Force, yung Pangasinan Heatwaves, and Abra Weavers. And sa South Division naman, merong ding 15 teams pinapangunahan ng Batangas City Embassy Chill na inaugural champion ng MPBL noong opening season. And other members ng South Division ay ang South Cotabato na dating Gensan Warriors, Zamboanga, Quezon, Muntinlupa, Iloilo, Sarangani, Negros, Mindoro, Binian, Bicol, Bacolod, Imus, Parañaque, and Davao Occidental Tigers na magbabalik na nga this 2024 season ng MPBL. Merong tatlong teams na nag-leave of absence dito sa MPBL. Ito yung Makati OK Bet Kings, ang Pasig City MCW Sports, and ang Bacoor City Strikers. So from 29 teams last season, tatlo yung nag-leave of absence and tatlo yung bago na pumalit, and bumalik yung Davao Occidental Tigers, kaya naging 30 teams na this season. So ang daming mga bagong teams and magbabalik ang Davao Occidental Tigers. So exciting itong 2024 season. Malamang nag-level up na kasi yung madaming teams ang nag-level up na from the previous season. So yung competition level in this 2024 season ay expected pa na tataas. So abangan natin kung sino-sino yung mga papasok sa playoffs, kasi ang format natin is magkakaroon ng single round robin ng buong team. So each team will have to play 29 games, and then yung top 8 per division, so top 8 sa North and top 8 sa South, sila yung papasok sa division quarterfinals. And then parang NBA style yung playoffs natin. So magkakaroon ng after division quarterfinals, division semifinals, and then division finals yung North and South. Then yung North champion and South champion ay maglalaban para sa national championship. So far walang team ang nakapag-repeat or nakapag back-to-back dito sa NPBL. Ang champion ng first season ay Batangas, sumunod yung San Juan, and then pangatlo yung Davao Occidental Tigers, pang-apat yung Nueva Ecija, and nung last season nga yung pinaka-recent na champion ay ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Nilabas naman ng MPBL yung schedule ng mga games from the opening on April 6 hanggang sa April 18, 2024. So review lang natin yung magiging schedule. So sa opening on April 6, magkakaroon ng dalawang games dyan sa may Calasiao, Pangasinan. Ang first game ay between the Valenzuela Classic and Zamboanga Master Sardines. Gaganapin ito at 6 PM, and at 8 PM will be the home game ng parehas na bagong team. Maglalaban ng Abra Weavers and ang home team na Pangasinan Heatwaves. So sa mga taga Pangasinan, manood po kayo sa may Calasiao Sports Complex and suportahan ninyo ang inyong home team na Pangasinan Heatwaves. Since parehas na bagong team itong Abra and Pangasinan, definitely magkakaroon ng first ever win yung isang franchise, and yung other franchise naman ay yung magkakaroon ng first ever loss. And after ng opening on April 6, next game will be Monday, April 8. Magkakaroon po tayo ng triple header. First game will be Bicol versus Mindoro at 4 PM, and then Marikina versus Negros, And then yung last game natin is Sarangani versus Bataan. Yung games will be held at the Orion Bataan, so home team yung Bataan. And then next game naman natin is Tuesday. Triple header ulit. First game, the games will be held at Olivares College, Parañaque. Yung first game natin is Bacolod versus Iloilo at 4 p.m. Then second game will be Pampanga versus Rizal at 6 p.m. And Manila versus Parañaque naman will be the final game on April 9. Lalaroin ito at 8 p.m. And then the next day, April 10 naman, Wednesday, triple header ulit. Gaganapin yung mga games dyan sa may Bulacan Capitol Gym. First game will be South Cotabato versus Imus at 4 p.m. Then second game will be Quezon City versus Muntinlupa, that will be at 6 p.m. And finally, yung third game will be between the home team Bulacan versus Batangas. And the following day naman on April 11, 2024 or Thursday, triple header ulit. First game naman, gaganapin yung mga games sa may Cuneta Astrodome sa may Pasay. First game will be between Abra and Marikina at 4 p.m. Second game will be Zamboanga versus Bicol. And finally, yung third game will be Negros versus home team na Pasay. And on Friday, April 12, 2024, maggaganapin naman yung mga games sa may West Arena dyan sa may Valenzuela. So triple header ulit, gaganapin yung laro. First game will be between Mindoro and Sarangani at 4 p.m. Second game will be between Bataan and Bacolod at 6 p.m. And the last game will be between Pangasinan and yung home team na Valenzuela. And Saturday, on April 13, Saturday, maglalaro ang Bulacan. Gaganapin yung games sa may Batangas City Coliseum. So first game will be between Bulacan versus Manila at 4 p.m. Parañaque versus South Cotabato at 6 p.m. And the final game will be between Iloilo and yung home team na Batangas. And on April 15, Monday, triple header ulit. Gaganapin yung mga games dyan sa may Inares Center sa may Antipolo. First game will be between the Imus and QC at 4 p.m. Second game will be Marikina and Pampanga. And the third game will be between Muntinlupa and yung home team na Rizal at 8 p.m. And following day on April 16, 2024, triple header ulit tayo. Babalik naman dyan sa may Cuneta Astrodome ang MPBL. So first game will be between Bicol and Negros at 4 p.m. Second game will be Mindoro versus Zamboanga at 6 p.m. And final game will be between Abra and Pasay naman at 8 p.m. And on April 17, 2024 naman, pupunta ulit naman sa San Andres Sports Complex dyan sa may Manila ang MPBL. Ang first game on that day will be between Bacolod and Sarangani at 4 p.m. and followed by Bulacan versus Pangasinan at 6 p.m. and finally, final game will be between Bataan and Manila at 8 p.m. And on April 18, 2024, Tuesday, idadaos yung mga laro dyan sa may Caloocan Sports Complex. Triple header ulit, and first game will be between Valenzuela and Quezon at 4 p.m. Parañaque versus Iloilo at 6 p.m. and Tarlac and Caloocan at 8 p.m. So kung mapapansin ninyo mga kaliga, bale ang game days ng MPBL ay 6 game days a week from Monday to Saturday. So Sunday lamang yung pahinga, and each day will be a triple header. Wala pang ina-announce yung MPBL kung saang TV station kung saang free TV station magko-cover, pero based last year yung nagko-cover or TV coverage ng MPBL ay pinapalabas dun sa Signal Channel, MPTV Channel 98 sa Signal Cable. So kung wala kayong Signal Cable, unfortunately hindi kayo makakapanood kasi wala ring available na free TV ang MPBL. Pero kung meron naman kayong internet, pwede naman kayong manood via Facebook live stream and on YouTube. Available naman yan. Kaya kita-kits mga ka-MPBL, very exciting itong upcoming season kasi tulad nga na nabanggit kanina, ang dami ng mga teams yung nag-upgrade ng kanilang lineup. And 30 teams ulit to, so parang NBA lang to, home and away format. And definitely, yung mga crowds, andyan pa rin yan. So, again, thank you for watching itong channel natin. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe dito sa ating channel sa YouTube and even dun sa Facebook page natin na MPBL Results sa Facebook, follow nyo lang yung ating mga social media channel. And thank you for watching.